Play number 5 goes to Appy Sen. He
I
makes a
remember this one.
mistake,
I remember this one.
but he sure does make up for it.
Oh! Pitch it! Oh, Mercedes. I remember
Number
that one
4
because it was
goes to
that's good.
Yabra.
Yabra!
Wasn't completely intentional, but it was pretty sweet.
Ooh, little stutter step.
Yeah, this
Triple reverse
He's
pickup.
getting lucky
Ridiculous.
there.
That's ridiculous.
Come back,
come back.
by design.
I told you. I knew that was going to happen. They blocking it. Look, everybody red bar.
Look at that. You're not having it.
Everybody's red bar. Hamstrings on fire.
And that's in the half.
Number 3,
That's
it goes to Pooh CTV. These are some of the best moves we've seen all year.
Great pick, first of all.
Yeah, user pick. That's respect.
User shake. Oh, user.
What is going on?
Oh!
No.
Look where he got to.
No.
Oh, he got back. Now look where he got to.
The numbers?
He's getting there.
numbers.
He's trying to get there. He understands how to get
It's
there.
been a long time since I heard that.
Yeah, get to the numbers.
That's
how
a big
you do it.
return.
Number
Pretty much
2,
that game
Joshua Hurwitz
Oh,
with
wow.
similar moves, but even more chaos.
This is crazy. Oh!
Yeah, I remember this one like in my sleep
Oh!
because this was unreal. He got unreal.
Oh,
this move
yeah,
right there. That move right there.
was
That
crazy.
was fun.
Oh, there is a user. Wow.
What can be number 1 after all
of
that?
the year goes
0 to 100 real
Jalen
quick.
Dixon.
Real quick.
1 kick
Zero.
return, 98 98
Straight line.
Yeah, this is
Watch
Dree
8
Archer magic.
broken tackle.
Oh!
8.
2,
Oh,
3.
boy.
That's out of control.
Uh-oh. Where are you going?
But Dree Archer, I'm gonna tell you, early in the season, this was
Wait.
early.
That's the best part.
That's the worst. That gets you. That just makes you want to.
Congratulations
clowning.
to our top 5, and thank you to everyone who submitted all season long.